Welcome, Your Majesties! Today, you'll be sitting on the throne because you get to decide which of the 7 Disney princess cookies wins. How? Well, first we'll be making a delicious butter sugar cookie dough that will be used to create all the princesses. Then we'll get to see the contestants and an exclusive sneak peek on how the princesses get all doughed up. So, are you ready to turn your kitchen into the most magical place in your house? But first, it's time to make a mountain of sugar cookie dough. Start by adding the butter to the bowl, and more butter. Add the granulated sugar and some vanilla. Then mix until smooth. Mixing was a bit of a struggle because the butter was still too firm, even though I left it on the counter overnight. That's when you know winter is coming, when your butter won't soften on the counter. So I poured warm water on the sides of the bowl and it all worked out. Add 1 full egg and 1 yolk. Oh, and I remembered how to count because I almost added another full egg. Note to self, it's 1 egg and 1 yolk. Then mix. Then add the flour, baking soda, and salt. At first, the dough may seem a little dry, but once you keep mixing, it will become nice and smooth. Ta-da! Magic! From all that mixing, it's time to let the dough rest in the fridge. With some wax paper, we're going to wrap the dough. It's a bit sticky, so I'm using a knife to scrape the dough off the spatula. My precious, precious dough. Kinda looks like fudge. Refrigerate the dough for at least 1 hour until firm for easy cookie shaping and to intensify the flavor. Flour your surface because it's time to learn how these princess cookies get ready and for an exclusive interview. Starting with contestant number 1, Elsa, the Ice Queen Sandwich. Looks like Elsa's bringing frosted tops back this winter. And she's letting it snow. If it gets too hot, she cools off by using a block of ice. And that's how Elsa stays cool. Now a few words from our contestant. Do you want to build a snow? No. Elsa, are you there? I'm not here to build a snowman. I'm here to win. Okay, we'll just let her chill. Contestant number 2, the funniest princess, Rapunzel. She'll be showing us how she works that dough. Despite her long locks, spoiler, Rapunzel is just like us. Even in isolation, her partner cuts her hair. Rapunzel, why do you think you should win? Long hair don't care. Rapunzel, as her hair grows, so does her free spirit. Contestant number 3, Belle, the Enchanted Rose. Now a sneak peek of her morning routine. Let's be real, mornings can be difficult. It may take a few tries. But after you stop and smell the roses and get the perfect flower, it's like bon matin. Belle, why do you think you should win? I should win because I'm la plus belle and I got the finale rose. Hon, hon, hon. Au revoir, bitch. Well, that's Beauty and the... Contestant number 4, Jasmine and the Magic World Carpet. She'll be showing us how she can see the world crystal clear, sky high, from this magical carpet that can show you the world. Now a few words from Jasmine. Oh, it seems that the princess is missing. One moment as we try to locate her. Hold on. We have a problem. She used up all her wishes, so she's trying to find parking. As we see from this live footage, I wish I could find parking. Whoa, Jasmine is just like us. Oh, look who just rolled in. It's contestant number 5, Cinderella and the Pumpkin Carriage. She'll be showing us how she fixes her wheels to come in hot. A bippity boppity boop, and the rest is magic. Cinderella, why do you think you should win? I not only have glass heels, I have the fastest wheels. So I'm not tardy, unlike some princesses. Jasmine, I will squash you. You wish. Okay, thank you. Next, contestant number 6, Ariel. From a tail to legs, now one shell of a cookie. She'll be showing us how she gets beach ready. She's just like us. Before hitting the sun, she puts on her special lotion. Ariel, why do you think you should win? I look good, and I washed up like this. Live now, Ariel making her grand appearance on land. Coming in with a little bit of difficulty, some tread, now she's turning. Will she stop? Yes, she does. Still cute though. If someone had to judge these cookies, it would be Snow White. She's the fairest of them all. Oh, speak of the devil, contestant number 7, Snow White. Now for a sneak peek of how she makes her delicious mini poison apple pies. Snow White, why do you think you should win? I should win because I'm a genius. I had an apple before Steve Jobs. Oh, Snow White, they're not the same. Oh, well you must be Doc.
Yes.
That's Snow White, our 7th cookie. Those are our contestants. Now for the biggest question. Which Disney princess cookie will win? You decide by commenting down below. Well, I'll let you get down to business to see who wins. Okay, I just had to throw some Mulan in there. Okay, now I'm going to eat some princess cookies and imagine that I'm in Disney World. Have a magical day. Bye!